Good morning, wonderful people out there, my YouTube family, my YouTube friends, and everyone who comes over to support Dr. Destiny. Yes, I am Dr. Destiny, and my YouTube channel is Destiny Forever Walks Ph.D. I am a holistic health coach, nutrition, wellness director, and I teach us on a lot on exercising, eating healthy, vitamins and minerals, and all those good things that we need to know to keep our bodies in this healthy state. Today, I'm coming with another video on health. And this video may be a little different because I talk about vitamins all the time, but today, I'm going to talk about a new vitamin, and that vitamin is vitamin L. Have you had your vitamin L today? Vitamin L is vitamin laughter. And guys, the Bible do talk about laughter is like medicine to the soul. At the end of this video, guys, I want you to watch this video because I'm going to be dropping some questions. And I want you to please answer these questions because this is going to help us to keep our communication open so we all can be real and honest with each other. And those are very important questions. So you'll find those questions in the description box and the comment section as well. And I will read them all to you at the end of this video. Now, we're talking about vitamin L, vitamin laughter, and the key benefits. I got my notes, so I'm going to be reading from that, people. Look, let me show you this. Can you read this? Yes, I thought that. Look, yeah, that's very important. We'll talk about that more later on, too. Now, vitamin laughter, like I said, I do have notes. I'm going to read from it, okay? Now, vitamin laughter, often referred to as vitamin L. Now, it is not an actual vitamin, but a popular expression and a concept in common medicine that emphasizes the significant physical and psychological health benefits of humor and laughter. Now, the phrase laughter is the best medicine. It is a well-known adage. I know you guys have heard it many times, but it's truth to it, guys. Laughter is healing for the soul. Now, even as I say in the Bible, in Proverbs chapter 17, verse 22, it says that laughter is like taking a good medicine. It's like medicine to the soul, people. You got to learn how to laugh, and it is a good benefit. One of the best that I know of. Now, engaging in regular laughing can have a variety of positive effects on your mind and as well on your body. Let me talk about these effects, okay? These positive effects on the mind and the body. Number one, stress relief. Number two, your mood enhancement. Number three, your immune system boost. Number four, physical stimulation. Number five will be your pain management. Six, social bonding. Seven, improve resilience and perspective. Those are some very good key benefits, and they are exactly right on point, people. And those benefits is something that I said we all need those benefits operating within our lives on a daily basis. Now, people, let's talk a little bit further about the topic vitamin L, the vitamin laughter. Now, you can incorporate vitamin L into your life by making a conscious effort to include human in your daily life. You can tap into a powerful, very powerful, free and accessible tool for better health and well-being through just simple practicing laughing, just laughing. Not laughing at someone. I'm not talking about that kind of laughter. Just a laughter is just not harmful to anyone, but it's something that it just brings out all the negativity from within. It just put a joy and a helpful spirit inside, and then you just it releases all of the negativity and all the negative vibes and all the negative energy is being released, and new positivity and new energy and new vibes and all that's coming in because laughter, it is like medicine to the soul. So let's talk about, as I said before, some practices, some simple practices that we can work on about getting that body to laugh, getting that inside to laugh, you know. And the first one would be watch funny movies, or watch funny movies or funny TV shows, man. Those ones that make you crack and laugh till tears flow from your face. Those are the good ones. That's number one. Watch funny movies or TV shows. Number two, now, seek out dad jokes or amusing content online. There's plenty of people. You just search, and you find and something that's good that would just make you release that being tied up and all tense and all angry and frustrated. A good laugh will break through all of that and bring a cheerful joy into your spirit, into your life, and will bring you those benefits to make your health so much better. Number three, now spend time with friends and family people who makes you laugh. Hey, stay away from those energy vampires that want to bite you, those angry people, those naysayers, those ones that want to cut you down, talk about you. Just get away from them. Ain't no laughter within what they're doing, or they're trying to harm you, hurt you. You won't laugh about that. So you find family and friends that will make you just laugh because it's all cheerful love and joy. And the fourth one, people, practice laughter. I don't know if you heard that or not. Practice laughter yoga. You probably like, what is that, Dr. Destiny? Practice laughter yoga, which it combines breathing and those breathing exercises with intentional laughing. And it's just so easy to do that. You know, once you get into your yoga state and your moves and you start practicing breathing, intentional laughing. And that is called yoga. Yoga. I'll make sure I got it right. Practice laughter yoga, people. And that's it. It combines your breathing, the breathing exercises with intentional laughing. And number four, nurture your sense of humor. Hey, sometimes we so tight. We got a crowd face. We always want to bite and pinch on people. Loose that stuff and let it go. We don't need that in our lives. Yeah, nurture your sense of humor. Sometimes you're like, oh, people need to grow up. No, you need to learn how to laugh. You know, when people out there laughing and enjoying themselves, let them enjoy themselves. Let them be happy. Don't be so negative and so mean toward people who just feel the joy of life of laughing. But a lot of people want to criticize because people is happy and joyful. That's because they are not happy. Like I said, misery loves company. Now, number four again is nurture your sense of humor and learn to laugh at yourself. Sometimes we do the most funniest and the wildest things, but we learn to laugh at ourselves. So it's a good thing, laughing at yourself. So if you can't laugh at yourself, then call me. I will laugh with you, okay? Not at you, but I'll laugh with you. And this is a good one. Okay, guys? And that's the video for today. Vitamin L, vitamin laughter. Like I said, it's not a, a medicine, a benefit, or anything like that, but it is actually it's a good medicine for the soul. Laughter is also referred to as, I said, vitamin L, which is not actual a vitamin, but it's a popular expression and a concept and commentary medicine that emphasizes the significance of physical and psychological health benefits of humor and laughter. Now, I thank you guys. Get out there and start pricing that laughter. Put on those crazy movies, those funny movies, those movies that make you laugh till you're on the floor and your heart about to pound out your chest. Get out there and laugh. Fine. So do something silly. Get on a bicycle. Do something crazy. And fall off the bicycle. Climb a tree and hang up by your pants. It's just something crazy. Just laugh, people. Now, this is something to serious part. Now, this video is a little bit longer than normal because I'm serious. People, I want to see you in your best state of health. I want to see you in your best positive mind. People, health is totally people wholesome, healthy, healed, whole, and complete. And that consists of your whole being, your total man, mind, body, and soul. So I'm going to put some questions in this comments and in the description box. You need to please read these questions and be honest with them. There's only 4. So give me your honest and your most brutal comments. You make sure that you're honest about it. Because you're not honest, you're still tying up negativity and anger and bitterness and frustration. Because I got to release all that stuff. Learn how to be honest. Learn how to be open. And don't worry about criticism from people. Just be happy and be you. Here are the questions that I'm going to ask you, and I want you to answer these questions, okay? Number 1, why did you click on this thumbnail? Number 2, did any part feel slow or confusing? Number 3, is there anything you would cut or change in this video? And number 4, did this video make you want to watch more? And these are some things that we need to be asking our subscribers, the people that come over and view our channels, when they make their comments. Drop these things, some of these things in the comment section to them and communicate, because communication is the best thing that we can do to open up a relationship that is honest, that is clean, and that is pure. When all that happens, guess what? It brings laughter. It brings laughter to our souls. So please answer these questions. Honestly, answer these questions with intention of improving your health and your lifestyle and the communication that you have with your subscribers and your family and your friends. Please, please, please share your views and share your opinion. And I can't emphasize enough, just be honest. Just be honest. And this concludes the video on vitamin L, vitamin laughter. And I hope you got something from this video today, guys. But I'm going to see you at the next video. I'm going to see you at the next video. I will see you at the next video. Destiny is here. She's going away to get more information to bring your way. I will see you at the next video. I will see you at the next video. I love you so.